In this video, we listed the 5 best sublimation printers for heat transfer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET3760. The Epson EcoTank ET3760 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for busy home offices seeking efficiency and cost savings. It stands out with its innovative cartridge-free printing system, utilizing high-capacity, refillable ink tanks that dramatically reduce ink costs and waste. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, it supports convenient wireless printing from various devices. The printer boasts fast printing speeds of up to 15 pages per minute in monochrome and 8 pages per minute in color, coupled with impressive print quality thanks to Epson's Precision Core heat-free technology and Claria ET pigment ink. Additional features include an auto document feeder, automatic two-sided printing, and a 250-sheet paper tray, enhancing productivity. With up to 2 years' worth of ink included in the box and the capability to print up to 7,500 pages in black or 6,000 pages in color with replacement ink bottles, the EcoTank ET3760 promises both reliability and cost-effectiveness for demanding office environments. Number 2. Workforce WF7210. The Epson WF7210 is a robust inkjet printer designed for high-quality color printing with features suitable for both home and office environments. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling wireless printing from various devices. Notable features include auto-duplex printing for convenient double-sided printing, which enhances efficiency. The printer utilizes Epson's Precision Core technology, promising print shop quality color graphics and sharp black text on media up to 13 inches by 19 inches in size, ideal for producing marketing materials and borderless prints. It boasts a maximum print speed of 18 pages per minute for monochrome and 10 pages per minute for color, offering decent printing speeds. Additionally, the WF7210 is economical, consuming up to 80% less power compared to color laser printers, and incorporates dash replenishment to automatically reorder ink when levels are low, ensuring uninterrupted printing. However, it's crucial to use Epson genuine cartridges to avoid potential damage not covered under the printer's warranty from non-genuine ink usage. With its blend of performance, efficiency, and quality output, the Epson WF7210 is positioned as a versatile option for users needing reliable color printing capabilities. Number 3. Epson Expression XP 6000. The Epson XP 6000 is a compact inkjet printer with USB connectivity, featuring auto-duplex printing and a sleek black design. It offers fast printing speeds for both color and monochrome prints, with the ability to produce high-quality photos up to 8 by 10 inches. The printer also includes convenient features such as built-in USB and memory card slots, a 2.4-inch color LCD and touch panel, and dedicated photo and DVD trays. With wireless printing capabilities, including Wi-Fi Direct, and the Creative Print app for easy printing from social media platforms, the XP 6000 provides versatile and hassle-free printing options. Additionally, the printer uses affordable individual ink cartridges, allowing users to replace only the cartridge that runs out. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2750. The Epson EcoTank ET2750 is a versatile inkjet printer designed for efficient home and small office use. It features wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi and Ethernet, allowing easy printing from various devices including smartphones and tablets. Key features include borderless printing, a user-friendly display screen, and memory card slots for direct printing. The printer supports auto-duplex printing to save paper and is equipped with refillable ink tanks, offering cartridge-free printing with up to 2 years of ink included. It boasts a maximum print speed of 10.5 pages per minute for both color and monochrome prints, while maintaining a high print resolution of 5760 by 1440 optimized DPI for quality output. Ideal for cost-conscious users, it promises significant ink savings and is ENERGY Star certified for efficiency. Epson emphasizes the use of genuine inks for optimal print quality and to avoid potential damage not covered by warranty when using non-genuine alternatives. Number 5. Sawgrass SG500 Printer. The Sawgrass Virtuoso SG500 is a compact sublimation printer that uses Wi-Fi connectivity technology and dye sublimation printing technology. It has a maximum print speed of 100 ppm in color and is capable of printing on plain paper. The printer comes with Sublimation UHD Sublimation Inks CYMK Starter Kit ink cartridges and has product dimensions of 17.25 inches in depth, 15.75 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height. It weighs 5 kilograms and is designed for color printing.